Here's a quick overview of the Marketing Insights report in GuestCenter. Log in to GuestCenter.OpenTable.com and then select Insights. Here you can analyze cover trends over time to identify when your covers are strong or when you need to drive more bookings. To bring in more diners, you can immediately take action by starting an OpenTable marketing campaign by clicking here. You can also dig into your active campaigns with this summary at the top of your report. So for example, this restaurant ran a promoted results campaign at $5 per cover, which resulted in over 700 covers during this period. And with the Discover Breakdown section, you can see your OpenTable marketing campaigns in more detail, including the list of campaigns you're running and their schedule. You can also keep track of your total spend and covers generated by each campaign, so you can easily measure your ROI. Dive into your Marketing Insights report now at GuestCenter.OpenTable.com.